Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to sign out from your Temu account. First, let's open up the app. Here it opens up in the home menu. From here we just go into the U menu and then tap on settings in the top right corner, and then at the bottom we find sign out. We tap on this and then the app is going to ask us if we are sure about signing out, and we can just tap on it's going to ask us if you want it to remember our login info, and we can tap on remember to make sure that we can sign back in easily, or not now, and then we can re-enter our password and our email address when we sign back in. So yeah, I guess that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.